Tape script 9.25.1.
A. Water bottles. B. Environment. C. Air pollution. D. Trash. E. Governor. F. Electrical appliances. G. Pollution. H. Taps.
Tape script 9.25.2.
A. He would make a lot of changes in our town to help with pollution and the environment. B. He would instruct everyone to turn off their taps while brushing their teeth. C. He would tell everyone to reuse their water bottles every day. D. He would make it law that everyone must use bicycles in town. E. He would encourage everyone to switch off lights and electrical appliances whenever they left a room.
Tape script 9.25.3.
1. If I were district governor, I would make a lot of changes to stop pollution destroying our environment. 2. If I were in charge, I would make everyone use cloth bags. 3. If I were in control of the town, I would create new parks. 4. If I were given the job, I would ban the chemicals used by farmers. 5. If I were elected, I would ban cars and motorbikes.
Tape script 9.25.4.
A. If you were elected, what would you do about taxes? B. If you were voted in, how would you deal with spending? C. If you were given the job, how would you improve education? D. If you were placed in charge, what would you do about health? E. If the government gave you the job, how would you create more jobs? F. If you received enough votes, what new laws would you introduce?
Tape script 9.25.5.
A. If I were elected, I would raise taxes to help the poor. B. If I were voted in, I would spend more money on saving the environment. C. If I were given the job, I would build more schools and provide training for teachers. D. If I were placed in charge, I would build free hospitals for the poor. E. If the government gave me the job, I would make sure that everyone had a good job. F. If I received enough votes, I would make it illegal to cut down trees.